Hi everyone, the topic for today is D5, other work related expenses. So this is a reduction for employed people who work in a company and they have incurred some expenses. Now D5 label is for expenses which are not covered under D1 to D4. D1 is for car, D2 is for travel, D3 is for uniform, and D4 is for self education. So things which are not covered in D1 to D4, they are covered in D5. Now what things are covered in D5? Mobile expense, if you incur, we will discuss each item one by one. I am just giving you the summary of this deduction today. So mobile, magazines, if it is work related, if you are a CPA, if you are a chartered accountant, and you subscribe to some accounting magazine, then obviously it is deductible under D5, and your job is also accounting. Union fees, if you are a member of a union, you can claim D5, you can claim it under this deduction. Then internet, professional fees, if you are a CPA and working as an accountant and you pay their annual membership, then you can claim it here. Other expenses are computer, software, home office, income protection insurance, and other expenses also, whatever are not covered under D1 to D4. Now there are again some tests for that. The first test is it should be work related. Your personal mobile calls, your personal mobile bills, it cannot be deducted. They are not related to your work, so you cannot claim it as a deduction. If you are working from home, then you can claim it under home office, but not your leisure time in home. If your family is using internet and you are not working from home, then you cannot claim it as a home office. You should be working from home in order to claim your home office expense. Okay, the second thing is it should not be reimbursed. If you pay some of these expense, let's say you buy a software or some stationery or a laptop or a computer you buy for work, but your company pays you back, the company reimburses you, then you cannot claim it here. So you need to incur from your pocket, only then you can claim it under D5. And the last thing is record keeping. You need to keep a proper record of the invoices of your of these expenses and how it was related to work. How did you use that expense for work? Thanks for watching.